Hello my dear student. Today we will discuss the carboxylic acid by the Grignard reagent. How to prepare carboxylic acid by Grignard reagent. As we know, Grignard reagent, that is RMGX. Right? Here when the RMGX is treated with the carbon dioxide. RMGX when it is treated with carbon dioxide, here carbon I have written C double bond O, C double bond O, right? When where the oxygen contains the pi bond, it gives lone pair, it acquires the electron from this pi bond, and where this RMGX, Mg contains the positive charge, R is one of the any alkyl or aryl group where it contains the negative charge. This RMGX, R takes the carbon towards it, the oxygen acquires the electron from this pi bond and it forms like this RCO double bond, as it is OMGX, OMGX. In simple manner we can write it as in a simple way we can write this reaction RMGX when it is treated with the carbon dioxide to form the RC double bond O, OMGX. When this intermediate, when it is hydrated, that means when it is treated with the water, as we know that water is written it as H plus and OH minus ion. So this H plus is acquired by this oxygen, and because oxygen is the one of the more electronegative atom, where this carbon is the less electronegative atom, so OH will come and attach to this carbon, and oxygen come attach, hydrogen will come and attach to this oxygen, so to form MgOHX. Got it? MgOX, OHX and RCOH, and one of the acid carboxylic group. In a simple way, in an example, in the form of example we can say that take the, in place of R, take it as CH3, methyl group. So methyl magnesium bromide, where RMGX when it is treated with the carbon dioxide, here they have written it as dry ether, in presence of dry ether, one of the reagent, dry ether. Then to form this carbon, same reactions, oxygen acquires the electron from this pi bond, where this carbon will come and attach to this oxygen, this alkyl group, that is CH3, C double bond O, OMGBr. When it is hydrated, you will get it as CH3COOH. This is what the main part of the reactions of carboxylic acid. And what are the application? What are the application involved in this carboxylic acid? Next we will decide in this topic. So before that, I will teach once again the reactions from the Grignard reagent, that is RMGX when it is treated with the carbon dioxide, where the oxygen acquires the electron from this pi bond, and this alkyl group contains a negative charge, magnesium contains one of the positive charge metal, where this R will come and attach to this carbon and to form RCOOMGX. Next, when it is hydrated, H plus hydrated in the form of water, in the presence of water, so water can be written as H plus and OH minus ion. OH will come and attach to this oxygen to form MgOHX, and acetic acid, that is RCOOH, any alkyl or aryl group. Next we will discuss the application part. What are the applications part involved in this carboxylic acid in the Grignard reagent? We know this CH3Cl is one of the haloalkane, so this is directly converted to the here CH3COH, but mechanism involved here, but I have written like this, where the haloalkane can also be written in the form of the carboxylic acid. So what are the mechanism involved in it? Take the haloalkanes, and when it is treated with the potassium nitride, that KCN, here the Cl contains the negative, the bond which takes the electron from this pi bond, and this Cn will come and attach to this methyl group to form methyl nitrile, that is CH3Cn. And when this CH3Cn is hydrated, it forms CH3, C double bond O and NH2. When methyl nitride is treated with water or when the hydration is done, it forms in the form of amide group, that is CH3CONH2. When again hydration is hydrated, it is hydrated 2 times. So this CH3Cn is hydrated 2 times. So first time it will get amide, and third, when it is again hydrated, we will get CH3COOH, that is acetic acid. And when it is hydrated, here it removes in the form of ammonia, NH3 gas will liberate, as well as heat is done. Here in third step, heat is done, then ammonia gas will liberate to form acetic acid. So same here, CH3Cl in presence of magnesium and the dry ether, we will get RMgX, that is CH3MgCl, Grignard reagent. And this Grignard reagent, when it is treated with the carbon dioxide to form CH3COOMgBr, when it is hydrated, same acetic acid. Here I have shown the reactions for the haloalkanes. Okay, this is the simple way for the formation of carboxylic acid by the Grignard reagent. I hope everyone understood this topic, very simple topic and very important topic on this carboxylic acid. They will ask the reactions for the 6 or 4 marks. So yeah, there are different ways for this. Is the first one from Grignard reagent, and next reactions I will upload in the next video. Please do subscribe and like my videos.